ing, longer.
Longer.
Nice. This is a voiced consonant sound, and you can hear at the middle of the word finger. Ring. So the sound is ing, ing, ing. So let's practice together. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, ring. Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, finger.
Finger.
Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, hanger.
Hanger.
Ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing, longer.
Longer.
Nice. So the sound is ing, ing, finger, hanger, longer, thing at the end of the word, thing, ring, young, strong, wrong. Okay? Ing sound.